Hello, I'm Hannah Wallace and welcome to Finextra. Today I'm kindly joined by Natalie Willems Rosman of Bank of America, EMEA Head of Payments and Receivables. And we're going to be discussing changes in the payments landscape and the impact of receivables. But firstly, Natalie, it's great to get the chance to speak to you today.
Thank you very much. Great pleasure to be here.
Now, of course, I last saw you participating in the Women in Payments London Forum not long ago. It was a wonderful event that brought up some important issues around diversity in the industry. Would you say there is an equal balance in the payments industry today?
Thank you, and I did really enjoy that event. I thought it was a great event, and to see so much female talent in transaction banking being present there, and have people like Hannah Nixon and Cairns, great industry leaders, giving us an insight into their careers was truly inspirational. When it comes down to a balance and diversity, I think we're not there yet in the industry. Quite often I do end up being the only or one of the few female people in the room, and that's across, I think, the treasury organizations as well as banking. So there is still a way to go, because I do really believe that a diverse organization brings the best out of our decisions we need to make, the best out of the different views that are out there.
And now PSD2, it's finally arrived. How do you think the launch has impacted the industry?
So yeah, we're 3 months into PSD2, and I think everyone's really prepared for a big shift in the industry. And so far, we haven't seen any major changes yet, but I certainly see signs that PSD2 and especially also APIs are becoming more and more ingrained into transaction banking. Our clients speak to us about APIs a lot, and it's also something that we've launched in our business, where we have our global API gateway, allowing fintechs, our clients, as well as third parties to connect into our systems. So even over the last months, we've seen the traffic to our portal increase very significantly. Conversations with third parties is showing that there certainly is an interest in offering innovative products, both in the retail space, but certainly also in the large corporate space. So I absolutely expect PSD2 to bring around change, but maybe it's not going as quickly as people had anticipated. I think it's going to take a bit more time.
And of course, last year you launched your new product, Intelligent Receivables, which is a tool that uses artificial intelligence. So with this in mind, can you give us some examples of how artificial intelligence has impacted today's corporate treasurer?
Yeah, so artificial intelligence, again, it's been around for quite a while, but what we've seen over the last years is that it's become a lot more advanced. And it's also now in a stage where we can see a lot more practical applications of the technology, and especially also in treasury. So what we've done is we have worked together with a leading partner to develop the state-of-the-art technology when it comes down to receivables matching. So what we offer is our clients the opportunity to look at their open invoices and look at where they are still expecting receivables to come in, and we match that with any receivables information that is available to the corporate. That can be the traditional bank statements, but our artificial intelligence can now also read checks, it can read emails, it can combine it with credit card incoming statements. So it's got a very wide range of diversity, and that's really allowing our customers to move away from manual processes to make sure that they can automatically match their receipts. So it's something, we launched it 6 months ago, but already we've seen great results with our customers, something we're very, very excited about. So yeah, we really think that technology is absolutely changing treasury for the better.
Fantastic. And finally, it'd be great to hear how receivables have changed for corporates in the last 5 years, and what will be the main challenges corporates need to consider for receivables in the year to come.
So I think that's a very interesting question, and we certainly have seen change in the world of receivables. In a way, some things haven't changed at all. We're still seeing checks, cash is still around, but especially companies who have direct dealings with consumer customers are seeing a huge amount of change in terms of the way that their customers would like to pay. That's driven by, for instance, mobile, it's driven by wallets, and suddenly the treasurers are getting closer and closer involved into e-commerce. So the world of the treasurer has become a lot more complex, having to understand the choice that they need to offer to their final customers in terms of paying. But ultimately, a treasurer wants to make sure that everything comes together into one bank account, that they continue to have control and visibility. And that is almost a new challenge. So a lot of things for the treasurers to think about and to learn as well.
Great. Well, Natalie, again, thank you very much for talking with us today. It's been great.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
And thank you for watching.